Artificial intelligence is transforming our world faster than any technology in human history. Every day we hear the word AI, but very few people truly understand what it is, how it works, how deeply it will shape our future. AI is no longer a futuristic idea, it is already present in our phones, our computers, our cars, our workplaces, even in our homes. It has become a silent force that assists us, guides us, sometimes even surprises us. Today we live in the early stages of the AI revolution, or moment in history where machines are beginning to learn, reason, create in ways that once belonged only to humans. Artificial intelligence refers to systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. This includes learning from data, understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, solving complex problems. The AI we use today is known as narrow AI, meaning that each system is trained for a specific task: translating text, identifying faces, detecting patterns, responding to voice commands. But the ambition of researchers goes much further. They imagine a world with general AI, a system as intelligent and versatile as a human being, capable of understanding everything from science to creativity. Some even talk about superintelligence, a form of AI that could surpass human abilities in every domain. While these concepts belong to the future, the progress happening today is laying the foundation for these possibilities. The journey to modern AI began decades ago. Early computers could only follow strict instructions with no ability to learn or adapt. Everything changed with the arrival of machine learning, a technique where computers improve themselves by analyzing data. Instead of being told exactly what to do, they discover patterns on their own. Deep learning pushed this even further, using layers of artificial neurons inspired by the human brain. These networks can analyze millions of examples and extract complex patterns, whether it's identifying objects in an image, understanding spoken language, generating realistic text with faster processors, powerful graphics cards, access to enormous amounts of data. AI models have grown more capable than ever before. Today AI is everywhere. It powers the recommendations you see on YouTube, Netflix, TikTok. It organizes your emails, filters spam, even suggests replies. It helps doctors detect diseases earlier and more accurately. It powers virtual assistants, translates languages in real time, analyzes massive amounts of information in seconds. AI can write articles, create digital art, compose music, generate voices, even produce entire videos. It is used in agriculture to monitor crops, in transportation to improve traffic flow, in finance to detect fraud, in education to offer personalized learning experiences. In just a few years, AI has shifted from a scientific concept to an essential tool in everyday life. The benefits of AI are enormous. It increases efficiency, reduces errors, saves time, opens new opportunities for creativity and innovation. Small businesses can now use AI tools that were once available only to large corporations. Students have access to intelligent tutors capable of explaining concepts in simple ways. Artists can transform ideas into digital images within seconds. Entrepreneurs can automate repetitive tasks and focus on strategy and growth. AI is not just improving the world, it is giving people new abilities, new possibilities, new ways to express themselves. But with all its potential, AI also brings challenges and concerns. Some people fear that machines may replace certain jobs, others worry about privacy, misinformation, unethical use of advanced technologies. As AI systems grow more powerful, the importance of responsible development becomes essential. Societies must establish clear rules, transparent practices, ethical guidelines to ensure that AI serves humanity rather than risks harming it. The technology itself is not dangerous. What matters is how we choose to use it. With the right framework, humans and machines can work together in a positive and balanced way. As for the future, AI is just getting started. We can expect Smarter assistants capable of understanding our habits and anticipating our needs. We will see more. Advanced robots working in factories, hospitals, businesses will rely heavily on AI agents to analyze data, create content, even manage entire operations. AI could help discover new medicines, design new materials, solve problems that were impossible for humans alone. Cities may become smarter, energy consumption more efficient, education more personalized, and as research continues, we may one day see AI reach new levels of creativity, reasoning. The rise of artificial intelligence is one of the most important